So how do you get started? First step, go to Panopto. Panopto is another tool. If you're not using it, be sure you do. It's an amazing tool. It's a videotaping tool, give you the opportunity to get your own MP3s, but Panopto is what makes this work. So get a little familiar with that. Even if you're not too familiar, then step 2, come make an appointment with Keith. Keith Rowley is the one who's going to help you better understand how to first use this. He'll walk you through it, allow you to get in front of the board, try it out, learn how to get the software started. It's not hard, but it's easiest if you do it one time with Keith. After that, then there will be, so this is going to be your sort of training in front of Keith, so he can teach you, okay? Then there will be an online sign-up where you will be able to go and film anytime you want on your own. So you don't have to have an audience. You can do it yourself. You can take as many takes as you like. You can get comfortable with it. But this will be your opportunity to then film and get your online MP3 to put onto your Canvas, MP4, sorry, to go onto your Canvas. When you're all done, the number one thing you have to do after step 4, Keith will do it this time, but after all of these, number 4 is clean the board so that it is ready for the next person. And I'm going to give you a quick demo on how to do that as well. Spray. It's right here. It's ready to go. So a quick spray. We want to make sure we spray so we loosen everything up. We take our wet board, our wet rag, and we wipe. Wipe. Let it sit for a minute as it turns white so you can see exactly what's going on. See, this is already turning white. Again, this is just a great tool, and I know I'm all foggy in through here, but you'll see me in a minute. And then as it's drying, start wiping it off. Then it's going to be ready. If you might want to hold it at the top because we don't want to wiggle this thing around too much, but I'm coming back into view. And it'll be ready for the next faculty to come in and give this a try. Again, this is a tool that you will all appreciate. Don't be nervous about being in front. We're in front of students all the time. Just do what you normally do and give them a chance to have something that they can reference again and again. I know we want them to take notes during lectures. We want to make sure that they're following. But if they can reference it again, it's going to cut down on your questions. You won't have to be answering the questions all the time. You can say, go to my video. I have it up on Canvas. It'll show you exactly how to do it. And just like that, you're done. I hope you take advantage of this. It's an amazing tool available to all of us. And ask Keith if you have any questions.